Hola amigos, hola amigas, Dorian here from Hooverlux. Welcome, bienvenido, Christy, salam alaikum, g'day y'all, annyeong, and cześć. Hope you guys are very well. So we are in the car, we are on the A1, and we is going southbound, innit? Not to London, unfortunately, but we're going close to London. We are off to Milton Keynes. And today in Milton Keynes there is a brick festival. It is the Lego Brick Festival, and that is hubby's passion and hobby, is his classic space Lego, hence the t-shirt, which is the classic space logo and the classic space colour. So we are not just going down to Milton Keynes for the Lego Festival. After that, we are going to meet up with a vacuum celebrity. I'm not going to keep you in suspense. We are meeting up with Sam because I did the metal polishing for him last week for the Hoover 800 and an Electrolux. So he is going to get those parts back now that have all been polished and shined like the top of the Chrysler building. So he's going to get them back. Plus then he has a few other bits as well that he's going to give to me to do some more polishing, but they're only small pieces, so it's not too bad. So from where I live to get to Milton Keynes takes about an hour and 45 minutes. And then from Milton Keynes, from where I'm going to meet up with Sam, that takes, I think he said it takes about half an hour or so. It's just outside Milton Keynes, so that's where we're going to meet up. So you're going to meet Sam today, which will be really nice. Because unfortunately Sam lives quite a distance away from me. It's about 2 hours and a bit. Maybe, yeah, it's about 2.5 hours, I think, from my place to Sam's, which is kind of far, which is really a bit of a shame. I do wish that we lived closer, because I like doing the collaboration videos with him, and Sam's such a really nice guy. So go check out his channel, Becco1987, and subscribe and help to support Sam. So it's picking to rain. It's not going to be a very nice day, even though the sun is shining at the moment. Ahead of me, the skies are grey and dark and miserable looking and wet. But the festival, Hubbylux is with me as well.
Hello.
It's indoors, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's in some sort of like leisure centre or something. So we're off to this leisure centre in Milton Keynes. So it'll be really interesting to see. So I'll do some scenery pics for you guys, and then I will do a little bit of footage around the Lego Festival, and then I'll come back to you and we'll do another bit of a vlog before we meet up with Sam. So I'll see you guys in a minute. So we have just arrived, I don't know where we are, but we have just arrived in the middle of nowhere. And everybody, look who I found at the side of the road. Let me just come around. Yay! It's
Hi.
Sambo! Hello, Sam. Not Sambo. Sam.
This far too feet.
How are you?
I'm very well. How are
Where
you?
have you brought me? Look at all of these amazing
I'm
cars.
at a friend of mine's house, and I was going to go meet you, but you said you'd come here. And it's probably not that far from me.
No,
Where
it
is
would have taken us longer to have gone down to where we were going to meet at Wing to actually to where you are here. So here we are.
So we're here. I've been here anyway.
Fantastic. Right, okay, see you guys in a minute. Okay, so we're walking back to the car. Here we are with Sam.
Right.
And he hasn't seen the polishing parts apart from photographs. So he hasn't actually seen them.
It looks
So-
so good.
Go and have a look.
But, oh wow.
Let's judge his reaction.
So what have we got here? We have these ones to start with. They were terrible, weren't they?
Yep.
That's amazing. Very nice. So yeah, I have some ones, but that's probably not the most exciting bit that I've been most. Yeah, I've been most looking forward to. Oh my gosh! Look
That-
at that.
That is the best I could get
That
it.
is transformed. That was worse than the whole thing is now. That was the bit that's under the badge. You'll see from the before. That is stunning.
So it was, the metal was really in bad state.
Okay,
I mean, I could have sort of like, you can angle grind the metal to take it all back, but I don't have the ability to do that.
There's a fine margin for error there, isn't there?
But once that's all back together,
Yep.
and Sam gives it another sort of like quick coat of peak or whatever
I'll get it covered in things
to take you greasy mitts off it, it'll look stunning.
They've come up beautiful as well, haven't they?
Because they were
terrible.
shot to shat.
Yeah, they were.
Schlishat.
Beautiful. I've got some more parts in the car for you that I forgot to give you.
Thank you, Sam.
Sorry. So
Another
got a little
2
bit
days
more
of
work
showering
to do.
planned.
Absolutely gorgeous. Yeah, this is what 1930s.
So I didn't touch this
I didn't know if you could or not, so I
simply
chucked it in,
because
just
of
because that
the
bit, but
thing of it, and it's actually in really
is-
good condition.
It is.
and
It
that
does
is
have a
in
finish. on it,
really
doesn't it?
good condition.
These are quite rare. People, this
Yes.
is the aroma door holder.
Oh, do you know? I was wondering what the heck that was for.
The-
What is it for?
It's an air freshener. The first Hoover, there's a glass jar that goes in there. There is a bit that goes on there. If you turn it, that's your air freshener.
Oh, I had no idea what that was
Very
for.
rare. This part, people have asked me already if I can sell it without knowing it's not mine to
Oh
sell.
wow. Okay, no.
No, gorgeous.
And then underneath that towel then are all the other little bits. But there's some parts on this, like for example this, not even, it would need grinding.
No, that's it, isn't it? But just to glance at when
Yeah,
it's
exactly.
sat on display.
And has it got some sort of like thing that you need to put on there?
Yes,
is
there is a rubber bumper.
Exactly. So the rubber bumper and everything.
Exactly.
Yeah.
It is stunning.
And then underneath the towel then are all the other little tiny little pieces then. But
Let's have a look. Oh wow.
kept them all kind of like separate and protected.
Yeah. God, that's kind of nice. That's the height adjuster.
Yes.
The end bits for the floor till. Oh, beautiful. In fact, that's the aroma door twiddly bit.
Ah, right. Okay.
Then there's bit
To
that
adjust it, yeah.
clips on the
get a
top.
bit
I
goes
think it
on
either goes in that way or it might even go in this way. I can't remember now. I'll have to
No.
go through your pictures. Lovely. Awesome.
Them I put them in the electric. What's it called?
Oh,
Sonic. Yeah, the
Yeah.
Sonic cleaner,
Oh, right.
and then polished them then as well after that with
Very
the stuff.
nice.
But yeah,
That will be
considering the
stunning.
state of what it was,
Oh, definitely.
that's
definitely.
going to look good. Okay, so Sam is coming back to me with some bits. What have you got for me to polish next, Mr. Watson?
The ends
Oh, that's going to
of
come
the
up nice.
Electrolux XII, and that's the switch
Ooh.
cover.
Ooh.
And I heard you needed one of those.
Oh my god, that is so cool. Thank you.
It's all right.
Oh, excellent. Yeah, for my Turbo Power Junior.
Is that the only bit you needed?
Yeah,
Otherwise
that
it's a
was
bit
the
late
only
there for you
bit.
to go back and get. There you
Yeah,
go.
no, that was only a bit. Thank you so much.
It's all right.
Hey, so it's only those bits.
Yeah, so there
Oh,
you go.
right,
You can clean
okay.
those up. They shouldn't come up too bad
They
because
will
I had a quick.
come up really good. 'cause
I had
they
a quick
are
go with
in
my
basic.
Dremel and it already made it. So yeah, hopefully
So
because
this
they're
is
not damaged.
Sam's wrecking.
Yeah. Because they're not
This is
damaged.
the
hopefully
before.
it'll buff out quite nicely.
Excellent. So those are the bits that we're going to see polished in another separate video.
Sorry.
So where I am right now, where we are right now, there's some amazing old cars. So let's go take a look. So this is the first car we're going to have a look at. This is an American car, as you can see. So any of the American viewers can see, it's a little bit of Americana here in the UK. What a beautiful car. I wonder what year this is. Do you know what year it is?
No idea. It's got to be 1990s. Oh, it's an Eldorado. Cadillac Eldorado.
Cadillac Eldorado. Look at those seats. They just look like butter.
If it's on an age-related UK plate, it's 1994.
1994 on the British plates.
So maybe that's when it was imported. Or
Ah, there we go.
made.
Cadillac, General Motors, Eldorado. Absolutely beautiful. 32V North Star. That is a stunning vehicle. It's like a little land yacht. Okay, so the next car we're going to take a look at is this Austin Allegro. And I have a penchant for Austin Allegros because of my great aunt's car. And this Austin Allegro is a 1500 Van den Pla. And how do we tell it's a Van den Pla? Well, very simply, if we go around to the front, we will be able to see the Rolls-Royce-esque grille on it. And it does need some work on the outside, that is definite. But if it is open, yes it is. Oh my gosh. Let's take a look inside this Van den Pla. Okay, so here we are inside the Van den Pla. It's got leatherette. Are these leather seats? Are these leather seats?
I think so.
I think they're leather because they feel like leather. Yes, I think they are. Roof lining. There in the back you can see that's got the armrest in the middle. Very, very nice. Let me turn the camera around. And here we have this wonderful walnut veneer dashboard, clock, air vents, no stereo, cigarette lighter, glove box down there, long gear stick with controls. It's very, you feel very, very close to the windscreen. The windscreen is like here. I'm not used to feeling so close to the windscreen. And the steering wheel on it is tiny, as in sort of like the grip of it. It's really small. And you've got the VP here in the middle. Lovely door cards, wind down window, which I'm not going to do in case it's not broken. Pockets, and also there. And we've also got some veneer along here as well.
That's
in the doors. In the Van den Pla. And it's, if you look at it, if you look at like the driver's view, you can see the bonnet, which is quite unusual because I can't remember the last time I actually had a car where you could see the bonnet. I think it might have been the old estate I had. But yeah, this is fantastic. I absolutely love it. Needs work doing to it, yes, but there's a little glove box there at the top. Absolutely fantastic. Love it. So I'm really excited to be sitting in this car. Very, very excited. Love it. One day I'll get one of these fully cleaned up. But yeah, so there we go. Now I'm sitting in the back of the Van den Pla, and here we have a little tray table, like so. So you can have your little glass of champagne.
That's for your whiskey.
And some whiskey and some canapes in the back of your Van den Pla. Armrest, let me turn you around. Little armrest here. I'm not going to pull that down, I'm just going to leave it as it is. Very, very comfortable. Very, very squishy seats. Not much room in the back, but plenty of leg room with the seats in its set position right now. And yeah, I absolutely love it. Look at it. Fantastic. Right, okay, let's get out.
And
okay.
That's it.
Yes, we are done. I have given the parts to Sam.
Yeah,
Sam has given me the parts, and I'm going to get them polished over the weekend and sent back to him.
Thank you very much. You
So
have
thank
a long
you.
drive home. I'm
Yes.
sure to drive home.
Yes.
Nice to meet you again.
Yes, and I'll see you very cool. Don't forget now, check out Sam's channel, subscribe and support him. Okay, see you guys in a minute. Okay, so it's been a while since I finished off this video. It's been a couple of weeks, and as you can see here, I have a little friend here with me. I have Elizabeth. Hello. Are you shy on camera now? Are you being shy? And Elizabeth is Jordan's dog. And Jordan is just behind the camera. Say hello.
Hello.
There he is. And he has come down to visit for a few days and brought Elizabeth with him. So we have Elizabeth, don't we? You a good girl? You were a good girl. So these are the parts that Sam gave to me for his Electrolux cylinder, of which I am going to polish. But I'm going to do it on a separate video for you guys, because otherwise it'll make it a bit too long. And yeah, we will get these shining like the top of the Chrysler building. So there we go. Thank you very much. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Please comment, like and subscribe for more, and I will see you guys in the next episode. Oh, by the way as well, Sam also gave me the part that was missing for the Turbo Power Junior, so I will do a separate video on putting this on before I give it the house demo, so you'll see that fully working. So I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.